Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. If someone asks me what's my favorite barbecue, that's chicken Malai Boti. Getting authentic taste like back home Malai Boti is not that easy, so I often try this recipe at home. And since Bakra Eid is upon us, I thought to share this recipe with you guys today. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First I'm taking boneless chicken pieces. I use thigh part that makes our barbecue more juicy and tender. Then I'm adding homemade yogurt and some heavy whipping cream. Then I'll season it with some salt, black pepper powder, roasted and crushed cumin powder, sugar, dried fenugreek leaf, kasuri methi. Just put it in your palm and rub it and add it in your mixture. Some freshly minced garlic and ginger, and raw papaya paste. You can use meat tenderizer as well, and a secret ingredient, mustard. That's I got to know from a friend, Servat, and it enhanced the taste of Malai Boti. Mix everything well, cover and let it marinate as long as you can. Overnight is always preferred. So today for the grilling, I am using wooden skewers, which I already soaked in the water for at least 30 to 45 minutes. This will make sure that your wooden skewer will not burn when you put it on the grill. Now start threading your chicken pieces into your wooden skewer. You can use regular metal skewers as well. When all the chicken pieces are done, we're gonna take this platter to our outdoor grill. I already preheated the grill and then greasing it very well, and then put those skewers on top of the grill and cook until one side get nice charred color. Flip and let it cook from other side as well. Heat should be medium, and just keep that in mind that it has raw papaya paste or tenderizer, which will make it more soft and juicy. In the end, I'm just brushing some butter to make it more juicier and tender. And this is how your chicken Malai Boti is ready to serve. Serve this creamy, soft, juicy and tender Malai Boti with some onion rings, tomatoes, raita and parathas. And please let me know in the comments that what is that one dish which you always make for Bakra Eid. For us, it's kaleji, and I'm definitely sharing that recipe with you guys soon. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.